Hello, my name is Boss CMB, a participant of MMM Nigeria Guidance Group, March 134th, Skype name Boss CMB, email bosscmb16 at gmail.com, MMM name Boss CMB.
Now, introduction. I will be talking about the ideology, how it works, how it works, rules of MMM, and benefits of MMM. In MMM, there is no central account. Let's talk about some lingos, language character of MMM. PH means provide help. GH means get help. PO means personal office. DL means downline. UL means upline. PMT means payment. EFT means electronic fund transfer. POP proof of payment. DD means direct deposit. CRO means control and revision officer. Moratorium means a frozen state. Now, MMM ideology: to create a new financial world order, to create a fair, honest financial system where there won't be any slaves or owners, to motivate people to provide help to each other because it's a good thing to help one another, to make people become financially free, not being slaves to money, to create a financial system where people don't have to borrow money from banks and other financial institutions. That is, creating a system where money won't be an issue, won't be a problem, to encourage people to work because they enjoy what they do not, because they are forced. This is ideologies of MMM. It's not for people to become slaves of money, but money to serve us, but for money to be our slave. Many people work for money, but in MMM, our money works for us. That's what we call ideology of MMM. How MMM works, the mechanics. When we are talking about the mechanics of MMM, we'll be talking about the PH, GH, PH, GH. As I said earlier, PH means provide help, GH means get help. So MMM simply operates with the mechanism of providing help, getting help, providing help, getting help. Let me explain how it means. When you provide help, you can get help. MMM golden rule. Rule number 1: do not have multiple accounts. You can always PH as many times as you want with one MMM account. The penalty is all accounts will be permanently blocked and you will be banned. Rule number 2: do not share email or bank details with other members. The penalty: you will all be blocked from getting help until you give identity proof. Rule 3: do not delay in paying for your elder. Penalty: you will be blocked. Rule number 4: do not edit your banking details or change password less than 15 days before getting help. The penalty is you will enter moratorium, a freezing state. Number 5: do not click on the I refuse to make payment button more than once in a month. That is, when you didn't have the money or you want to extend the time, do not click it more than once in a single month. The penalty is you will be blocked. The account will be blocked. Rule number 6: do not make deposits and fail to attach proof of payment. the penalty is you will be blocked and there is no refund for your money. So when you make a deposit, try and attach proof of payment. Do not fail to confirm your payment. When someone pay to you and the person upload POP, try and confirm the person's payment immediately you see the alert. Rule number 7, do not allow your family members to ph more than you. If they have more than the amount you ph to donate, let them do it through your PO or to register through your guidance link. The penalty is you will be blocked. You will be blocked. Rule number 9, always remember to write your letter of happiness after every GH, that is after every withdrawal. Maximum day to write it after you get help is 3 days. That is when you get help. Before 3 days lapse, try and write your letter of happiness. Try and thank fellow my brothers. Try and thank Sergeant Mabrodi. The penalty is you will be blocked. These rules were made to protect MM community, to protect them from fraudulent people, from fraudulent transactions. Don't forget, what we teach in MMM is diligence, is honesty between participants. For MMM to continue, all members must be diligent. Now, let's talk about the benefits of MMM. What you stand to gain in MMM. Now, the first benefit of MMM is what we call registration bonus. After having registered and making the first donation, the participant receives a bonus in the amount of $20 if the donation is between $50 to $499. Now, you can get a registration bonus of $50 if the donation is between $500 to $2,999, and then you get a registration bonus of $100 if the donation is $3,000 and above. This are registration bonus, and don't forget, it's after you register and you are making the first donation. Another benefit is 30% growth. Your money grows by 30% after the period of 30 days. From the day you request to provide help, from the very first day, even when your money is still in your pocket, as you pledged to provide help, your money started growing even in your pockets. You can see how wonderful this is. Another one is what we call referral bonus. You get 10% from all donations of the participants you invited. Inviting new members to the community is an additional contribution to its development. That is, when you register someone, any amount the person donates to the community, you get 10%. You get 10%, and that's why we are encouraged to register new members, because registration is the key and the backbone of this community. So let's all try to register new people every day where we get to. Thank you for listening. Together, we can change the world. Thank you. God bless you. Don't give MMM. Don't give Sergeant Mabrodi.